Good afternoon, MarineMax friends and family. This is Thatcher Smalley with MarineMax Grand Lake, and today we are taking a look at the brand new 2024 Sea Ray 290 SDX. The SDX is going to be your squared off playpen style front that's going to give you some additional bow seating, but you're still going to get the ride quality of your typical V-bottom runabout. As you can see with the Sea Ray, you're going to have a ton of lifting strakes there on the side that's going to give you that nice ride quality that is standard with all Sea Ray boats. So as you can see, this is going to be your horizon gel coat here on the side, which is the grayish blue. Very nice, very clean color. You're also going to have a windlass anchor there at the front, which makes it super easy to anchor out while you guys are in the cove. Making our way to the back, this 290 does have outboards, which is going to give you some extra performance and also going to give you access to joystick navigation. And you might ask, Thatcher, why do we need joystick navigation? My question to you would be, have you ever used joystick? It's going to really elevate your driving experience and make it super easy in docking situations or in the marina. So as you can see, making our way up into the boat, you're going to have a very nice swim platform that gives you easy access in and out of the boat here on the side. And here at the aft seating area, you're going to have a very large sun pad here. You could sit 3 or 4 people. You're going to have some nice leg rests here that you can lift up and give you a little angle in your seating. Beautiful backrest there. Also going to have some additional cup holders. Making our way into the cockpit area, you're gonna have an additional cooler here. You could throw some ice and some drinks in there while you're lounged out back here. Making our way in, you got a nice dock step. It's gonna give you easy access in and out of the boat while you're coming off of the dock. And making our way into the cockpit, you got a ton of wraparound seating here. Nice bench seating with some beautiful upholstery design, as you can see there with the stitching. And here on your starboard side, you're gonna have a wet bar. So you're gonna have a fridge there. You got an electric grill as well as a sink. Got some additional storage as well as a trash can under there. And making our way up to the helm, you got your captain's chair and your co-captain's chair. As you can see, you got some adjustable seating up here. You can flip those forward and you can really join the conversation here in the cockpit or just give you some additional lounging space. So move those back, turn into your typical captain's chair. As you see, you have your joystick navigation, your dual throttles for your dual outboards, a very large 12-inch Simrad display there. And this boat is going to come equipped with your head unit. So you're going to have a vacuum flush toilet, as well as a sink and a trash can down there, which is great for extending your day out on the water. Making our way up to the bow, you're gonna have some center storage here, as well as in the cockpit. You're gonna have a beautiful wraparound seating area up here. As I mentioned, this is gonna give you some additional seating. So you're gonna gain an extra seat there with this playpen style front. Also comes with access to a filler cushion, so you can really extend your seating area. So ton of great upholstery design. You got some armrests here, really going to elevate your experience out on the water. So if you like this boat or any other boat you see in our online inventory or that I list on my page, feel free to contact your local MarineMax today. Thank you.